here, honey, picture. Here we are in another place. This is called Rancho by Guate, where they have excursions for you to do. You can do water rafting, zip lining for the kids, horseback riding, and they have hiking also. Very beautiful. We found this lady. She's super awesome, very nice. She's giving us a tour. She actually drove us over here, so that was really nice for her. Here's a playground for the kids, but we're heading back to meet with the tour guide that's gonna take us on the horseback riding, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna walk through right now. Really nice. So I'm gonna walk through here and show you guys this beautiful pool, and you can even stay here. They have villas that you can rent and just hang out here. Here's some bunnies for the kids to look at. And then let me just show you through here. Such a nice place to hang out. Right here. Hangout place right there. And look at this beautiful pool. That you can come in here and relax, guys. Look at that pool. It's beautiful. Look at the scenery. Some clients. They have ponies roaming around this property and donkeys. Oh my gosh, guys, that's so awesome. Oh, I don't know if they're like friendly or not. I think the donkey is, but the ponies might be a little scared.
They don't want to be petted.
Sigan disfrutando. Yo le voy a decir al chico que ustedes están aquí.
Giving you some droppings. Maybe if you put your hand out. Nope. I think they're pretty wild, I guess. Because they're not domesticated. They just roam free. That's cool though. That's good. I'd rather see them like this than behind something, you know. Look at the donkey. He's gonna get into stuff. So cool. I'm so glad that I met her and she brought us here. Look, he likes me. Don't rush, right here. But you don't get behind them. You just don't get behind any animal because you never want to scare. Guys, we're gonna ride horses. I think this is probably, well, all that I'm gonna record. I got a beautiful one because I'm scared, so I'm putting my phone down. I'll see you guys.
Yeah, look. Hi. Hi. You're horse riding, babe.
I know.
You guys are so scared to do stuff, man.
Daddy, you have a huge horse.
Yeah.
I get the smallest because I'm the youngest. Yeah.
You're fine, honey. Honey.
Yeah.
Turn your head and look.
I can't.
Hey. What's up, Wilbur? Huh? I've rode a horse before. Riding experience so far. Huh? cool. It's kind of dirty, this stuff, though. They need to clean up this place. Huh, Kayla? Good job. You good? Huh? He's like trying to get by. Trying to go by. Never been horseback riding like this, right, Kayla? Huh?
I've never been horseback riding.
You never been? I thought you were on a horse before.
No. Why do you think I was terrified to move?
This is people's houses right here. Yeah, you good? There's Emily over there. Huh? Across the water, babe. You wanted to go to the Alaska, the front of Frontier, and you were afraid to ride a horse for an hour. Huh? What'd you say? You don't want to? You don't want to go to Alaska? Come on. Dale no agua. He wants to drink water. All right, come on. Let's go. Come on. Vamos. Come on. Vamos. What's up, Succulent? What's wrong, Kel? Look back a little bit, babe. Ma, stick it in. It's up.
That's the only way we can go back.
Dice que no se nunca se ve que va a caminar.
Sí, your horse is running.
Ya no se puede montar conmigo. Aquí, no se puede montar en ningún lugar.
Sí, pero no hace diferencia.
Déjame ver lo que ella hace. Bueno, ella tiene que meterse. Ella tiene que subirse como.
Yeah, so I just got off the horse and that was pretty scary, but it's because I'm a scary cat, but it was a good adventure. And now we're going into a river where there's a waterfall. This is what it's called, Balneario Salto Baiguate. That's what it's called, guys. There. You guys can Google that, and then yeah, it was good. Then we're gonna have to ride back on the horses. So yeah, you guys are really nice, and they help you out. So I'll record when we get to the water.
Oh,
So this is like a 10-minute walk to the waterfall that we're going to. It's very nice scenery. Got some shade.
She has like braids, all of her hair braided, and
Sugar cane.
looks exactly like her. I think it's
Look at all these. This is what you see in Home Depot. Those burgundy plants that trail down.
I'm pretty sure I saw it.
They're enjoying the river. A lot of local kids are here. Get all the way up there. These are guys.
¡Hey, amiga! ¡Júntense todas!
Let's see the waterfall. Oh, I see it.
¡Mire, güey!
I'm gonna get in here and enjoy this with my family. I'll see you. Hey guys, so after that awesome trail ride with the horses, then you come and eat lunch here. They have a buffet, pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk over there and get closer so I can show you the food. It's typical food from here. Pineapple, some salad, tomato, cabbage, pico noodles, rice and beans. Just put some in your plate and try it. Rice and beans. I'm going fast because I really want to eat some fried chicken, some stew, and some plantains, but not the sweet ones. That's it. Okay guys, I'm about to get some grub on and see you guys later. Okay guys, so we're back from that excursion from doing the horseback riding and going to the waterfall. So I just wanted to show you the card of the lady that helped us out. She is a tourist guide, very friendly, super friendly, and she was so nice. She offered her services to take us there and give us a tour. She was really nice. So if you guys would like to know more information about any of these places, because she's so well known around here and well informed, you guys can contact her. I'm pretty sure that she'll speak English. If you guys write to her, she'll contact you guys back and help you guys out whatever questions you may have. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.